Have you ever wondered why Frenchies make so many weird noises? Sometimes they squeak, sometimes they grunt, and sometimes they sound like a tiny dinosaur. A lot of it comes from their big personalities. Frenchies love attention, so they make funny sounds to talk to you. Whether they want food, cuddles, or just want you to look at them. They also have big chests and small noses, which makes the air vibrate in funny ways when they get excited. So when they play, run, or even get confused, you'll hear all kinds of silly noises. Every sound is just your Frenchie trying to communicate in their own adorable way.